everybody, just stay tuned and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a video series on my Dansco books. Sorry about the strap in front of the lens here, as I actually opened the package. I didn't realize until it was already open, but we will get to see here how it is in just a second. This was an eBay purchase of mine. It came in the mail, and it will be being combined with my own personal collection of seated Liberty dimes that I have. Packaged in bubble wrap envelope, and there was an invoice in there and information about where it came from, tracking, all that type of stuff. So the seated book in itself is a Dansco book. It's got the common varieties: small date, large date, and mint marks. So we'll go through here and look at what was in the book. Some of them did fall out during shipping, which is sort of common. This is just a quick flip through the pages, see what was there. It was a pretty full, intact book. I mean, there's obviously the common dates and holes that are going to be there. Some of the grades within my book may be better. Some of his grades may be better, and I'll be combining the two of them. So we'll go through and see those later. After I combine the books, I'll do a video on my current up-to-date seated dime book. Again, this is what was shipped to me. So it starts with the 1837, and then we go with the O. Throughout the book, just give you a little brief overview of how the coins looked. Pretty neat to see another collection like this already put together from another collector. There were two coins that were not correct in the album, but I also did find some varieties of duplicate coins that I have in my own book that will be something I'm either going to add an extra page to have varieties. This is just a neat collection and series for me to work with. It's a hard set to have fairly complete, especially in higher grades. So some of these will be lower grades. So there was some damaged ones. There's some that are actually pretty nice looking, but then we'll have some damage that kind of lowers the grade on them, so I don't know what we'll find that it'll move over to my other book. The arrows are indicating some of the reduction in weights during certain mintage years. This is the 60s page. It's pretty hard during the Civil War to be able to get this small of a currency that didn't get lost throughout. So it's a hard page to complete. Alright. So I hope you're enjoying the video. We'll get the chance to see once I combine the books, and we'll go over them in a little bit more detail. But as an unboxing, it's trying to see some of the new stuff that I got in, and if there's any dates that will be conserved, we'll try to do a little brief thing on that. So if any of those will be available on either my website or eBay or Instagram, check me out on all those at Sheaffer Select. The 1873, I don't know that that's the opener closed without really looking at it a little closer, so we'll find out if that's actually correct or not. So I hope you guys stay tuned, look at the series that's going to be coming through, and get to enjoy some of the new coins and also the Dansco series. I just did a typeset, which will probably be my next video, that has some pulled from my collection over the last 7 to 10 years and try to complete the book. I know I'm going to be missing a few holes, but it is